What's up, car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your go-to destination for the most exciting automotive news, reviews, and deep dives into the rides that make our hearts race. Today, we're bringing you something truly special, the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner A12. Yes, you heard that right, the legendary muscle car from the golden era of American performance is making a roaring comeback, and it's here to claim its throne once again. This isn't just a car, it's an icon reimagined for the modern world, blending raw muscle with cutting-edge technology in a way only Plymouth could pull off. The original 1969 Roadrunner A12 was a no-nonsense, big-block beast that ruled the streets and drag strips. The 2026 version pays tribute to that legacy but takes everything to a whole new level. Under the hood, you'll find a monstrous 7.0L Hemi V8, supercharged and tuned to deliver a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower and over 800 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just power for the sake of power, it's precision-engineered performance designed to give you blistering acceleration, pin you to your seat launches, and a soundtrack that'll make any gearhead's spine tingle. 0 to 60. We're talking under 3 seconds. Top speed, well over 200 miles per hour. But Plymouth didn't just focus on brute force. The 2026 Roadrunner A12 comes equipped with an advanced adaptive suspension system, electronic launch control, and performance-tuned aerodynamics that make it just as capable on a track as it is on a highway. Massive Brembo brakes ensure you can rein in all that power with confidence, while the lightweight carbon fiber components shave off unnecessary weight without sacrificing strength. It's an unapologetic muscle car with the handling precision of a modern sports coupe. Design-wise, Plymouth nailed the perfect balance between retro nostalgia and modern aggression. The front end retains the classic A12's menacing stance, with a bold grille, quad headlights, and that unmistakable Roadrunner badging. The rear is pure muscle, with wide haunches, LED taillights inspired by the original's design, and a functional ducktail spoiler that adds both style and downforce. You also get those classic black performance stripes running across the hood, paying homage to the original lift-off hood design that made the 1969 A12 so iconic. Inside, it's a driver-focused cockpit that blends old-school charm with high-tech luxury. You'll find premium leather and Alcantara seats with retro stitching, a fully digital gauge cluster that can switch to a vintage-inspired display mode, and a massive infotainment system with all the modern connectivity features. There's also a dedicated muscle mode that optimizes throttle response, transmission shifts, and exhaust note for pure adrenaline-pumping fun. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner A12 is not just a revival, it's a statement. It proves that muscle cars can still be raw, loud, and exciting, while also being refined, safe, and equipped for the modern era. Whether you're a collector, a weekend warrior, or someone who just loves the smell of burning rubber, this car is going to turn heads and steal hearts everywhere it goes. So, gearheads, if the sound of an 850 horsepower Hemi roaring through open roads excites you, stay tuned because the Roadrunner A12 is about to take over the streets in 2026. And remember, at Car Trend, we bring you the hottest rides before anyone else. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car news, reviews, and exclusive first looks. The legend is back, and it's faster, louder, and meaner than ever. Beep beep.